Today's June the 10th or 11th, and the most exciting thing is that I got my first tomato. I'm very excited about that. We've got a sun gold. I pulled the rest of the carrots because I'm tired of waiting on everything. It's so stinking hot. I grabbed a bunch more kale, and then there's a bunch of chamomile and calendula in there. So